was only drizzling earlier. Definitely started coming down. I think I'm winning the wet t-shirt contest today here in Nashville. I came out saying 2 or 3 while the rain's not coming down. Here I am, 4 going into 5. So excited, having fun. All I can think about is just the gratitude for my position right now. Working remote, using daylight when it's here, and just loving life, visiting friends, family, places in the Southeast, my home state of Tennessee. And I just feel really, really fortunate to be doing all this right now. Southeast winter, been a long time. Already been back in the Smokies, already been back in the Appalachians, biking, and just back in country that feels like home. All the heritage here, and of course the rites of passage I always had. Backpacking in the winter in the Smokies, Roan Mountain, also just all the opportunity seizing with weather. Never know what you're gonna get. Plus, once it hits here, the mud ruins the trails. Bye-bye biking. So, just so grateful. What an amazing time.